Hey, how's it going? I wanted to try out Claude Opus, Claude 3 as a project manager. See how that works. Maybe it won't work. Maybe it'll crash and burn. Maybe I'm asking too much. So let's take a look here. So let's make a directory called sample site. I'll go new directory. Sample site. Okay. And then let's go down here to, I'm going to take Ask LLM and I'm going to make a copy of it. I'm going to call it LLM Project Manager.py. Okay, now obviously I don't want any of this stuff in here, and we are going to be working on Claude Handler, and I think just the regular ask should work just fine. So we'll just say question equals like that, and then we will say answer equals llm.askQuestion. That was kind of interesting that it knew what to do. Hello. I am writing a Python script to feed information to Claude 3 Opus to act as a project manager. First thing I need is to be able to show the state of a project, which needs to be encoded in text. Please write a Python method which will recursively go through a directory and create a large string containing the contents of all UTF-8 and ASCII files, and if there are any binaries, just say it's a binary. This will then be passed to Claude. Okay, a Python method. All right, I'm curious what this is going to do here. So come on. Not breaking any speed records here. Let's see, Claude. All right, I'm burning up. Burning it up. The OpenAI is going to switch to a model like this, where you have to prepay for API. That probably makes more sense. I don't know why they didn't do it from the get-go, but whatever. Okay, script does the following. Okay, yep. All right, so we are going to have import OS. Probably had that already, but whatever. Yes, I did. All right, get project state. And I am going to define the state as what did I call it? I just made it. Microservice, output, pet stories, sample site. So sample site. And I'm curious what this will do. All right. I thought I imported that. All right. Okay, we're going to go sample site, and I want to see what this does. So, sample site, new file, stuff. All right. Hello, I am a monkey. Okay, so we're going to say get project state, like this. Print get project state, and then for now, we don't need any of this other stuff. So run. File, tx. Hello, I am a monkey. Stuff 2. I am a froggy. It sounds like this is doing exactly what I want it to do, but I want to see it work one more time. So, and let's test it with a binary file. What is this? That's pretty. Not particularly important, but it's pretty. All right, we will put this in sample site. Okay, and then this is a binary file. Let's see what it does. Okay, content binary file. Dude, that is awesome. That is exactly what I wanted it to do. So far I am pleased. Okay, we are going to say project. Thank you. All right. Please write a Flask Hello World app which renders to HTML. Also write a batch file to be run in Windows, which will start the site. If a requirements.txt is needed, or pip install, give that as needed. All right, so run. Okay, so we have to have some sort of a starting framework here, and then I want to see how it can progress into actually generating stories. Okay, I think we can come in here to sample site, and we can say file to-dos. To-dos.txt. Okay. Functionality to implement stories. Okay, so start server.bat in the same directory as app. Okay, this looks pretty good. Templates, HTML. Oh, that's right. We need a template.html. I don't think we have one of those. Okay, we are going to say new file start server.bat. Boom. I just tried to paste blank. All right. Pip install requirements. Your project structure should look like this. Really doesn't look like that. We are missing requirements. We're missing start server. Yeah. Your project folder, app requirements, start server.bat, templates. Okay, so open a command prompt. I don't think it's going to work because there is no app.py. I need an app.py. Okay, Flask run. Okay, to-dos, and then I'm going to say, here, let's put this in here. We'll say current state, and then, oh, that won't work, will it? Plus project state plus, yeah, like that. We can probably go next line. Okay. So we're not quite there yet. Look at the current project state and generate app.py requirements.txt and templates index.html. Since this is a simple hello world app, it's okay to be absurdly simple at this point. So now this should actually send the current state. We will have to-dos, none so far. You know what? I don't like this being named to-dos. I want this to be named stories, because it should know what that means. If it's going to be a project manager, it damn well better know what that means. Open a web browser and visit localhost 500. You should see hello world. Not exactly, because we're missing some files. So let's run this. Since this is a simple Hello World app, it's okay to be absurdly simple at this point. Look at the current project state and generate app.py, requirements.txt, and templates index.html. All right. We're going to say ask custom, and the system message is going to be you are a member of a Scrum team, either a project manager. I should specify. For now, you are a project manager on a Scrum team. And then content equals question. I think the rest is fine. Okay, so we're going to have app.py, new file, app.py. So far, so good. Seems to be angry about this. I think Flask should be imported. Or is it Flask lowercase? Well, whatever. Requirements.txt, Flask. Okay, I can live with that. New file, requirements.txt. Templates, okay, new directory templates, and then we are going to say new. Oh, I haven't seen if it recurses properly. Let's see. New file index.html. All right, and then the contents of that will be, boom, this is a simple Flask app. Boom. All right, and I want to see how it can modify this, but so far, so updated state, file, sample site, start server.bat. I don't what changed? Oh, is it just giving me everything? Oh, shit. I don't necessarily want it to do that. This is the same, right? That's okay. This provides a basic, yeah. Let's go. Open in Explorer. Do I have to hit Control? Yeah. Hello world, this is a simple Flask app. Well, it did better than the first time. All right. Okay, so now let's go back here. You're a project manager on a Scrum team, so look at the current project state. Please write stories to modify the site so that it is possible to log in. Note, this will likely be multiple stories. Example, setting up database. It is possible to log in and to register and log in. The website should be dark mode. The website should have a cookies notice for GDPR compliance. What else should it do? There should be content panels which can be navigated to. These will be fictional short stories. Once viewed, they should be marked as read. The website should be dark mode and have CSS template which centers content on the page. There should be a content panels which can be navigated to. These will be fictional short stories. Once viewed, they should be marked as read. There needs to be at least 3 stories that can be clicked. It should be possible to view a story again that has been read. Okay. Please write the subject lines for user stories. Yeah, user stories to modify the site so that it's possible to register and log in. Do not actually make the modifications yet. All right, let's see what it does. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Oh, it's done. Oh, somebody texted me. Just got home. Roommate went to bed. What you doing? It's gonna be hard to make a video if somebody's texting me the whole time. I'll put that to the side. User registration. Set up user database to store user credentials. Create user registration page. Implement dark mode CSS styles. Create CSS template for consistent styling across pages. Center content. cookies notice, content panels for short stories, create database. These subject lines break down the request modifications into smaller, manageable stories that can be implemented incrementally. Each story focuses on a specific feature functionality, making it easier to prioritize and track progress during the development process. All right. So, okay. Okay, so here are our objectives. Please fill in the details for the following stories. Okay, I don't think that we need this right now. I'll put it up here. Oh, I pissed it off. Whatever. Please fill in the details for the following stories. In the format of as a I want to so that I can with specific acceptance criteria. Okay. So yeah, we'll say user. So what should it be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 different stories. Let's see what it says. Run. Okay. It seems like the biggest challenge that we face is the token limit, actually. So, yeah. So here we go. Here's 6 stories. I think that looks pretty good. Oh, damn it! Did I not? I didn't write it down. I did not write it down. All right. So. This, and it's going to go here in stories. Okay, and then we're going to come back here, and yeah, what are we at? libproc logs, Claude handler, boom, that's it? This is it? Okay, that's more like it. All right. What the hell is this? What did I put in here? Oh, I know what that is. That's somebody's YouTube video. Okay, speaker discusses... shit. It looks like my Claude handler log has ceased to write, which is fucking annoying. All right. Okay. Did I put it in a... I didn't do anything. Like my one hope is that it's in the... Oh my god, it was in my clipboard. What are the odds? Well, given what I'm doing. No, it was not. It was not. Okay. Okay, we need more. Assess the existing stories and write the remaining stories. Whatever. It's the project manager. It can figure it out. My friend won't watch this movie unless I pay for it. I think she's just playing hard to get. By which I mean she's just a difficult person. I'm kidding. All right, okay. Content panels and story navigation. So user registration. Okay, database setup, dark mode, CSS template, cookies. Okay, this looks pretty good. We might need to renumber these, but let's see what we've got going on here. Oh, I removed the content. It didn't know what was already there. That's fine. I mean, we probably need to put it back in, but it's fine. So, yeah, let's go. Stories, user session management. All right. Okay. Here, we can just come over here. Please renumber and remove duplicates from the following. Content, print llm.ask, q. Instead of content, let's say stories, and then this will be stories. Please renumber and remove duplicates from the following list of user stories for a website. And it goes here, and then we run. Okay. Come on. Ugh, waiting is painful. Okay. Not really sure that this needs its own story, but you know what? Just say, you know what, it's... Okay, I like this. I like it. I like it a lot. Requirements, stories. Let's go like this. I really don't think it needs to be numbered, but whatever. Okay. So set up a user database to store user credentials. As a developer, I want to set up a user database so that I can store user credentials securely. Acceptance criteria. Database is created with appropriate tables to store user information, including username, email, and hashed password. The database is properly configured and accessible from the application. Appropriate security measures are in place to protect user data. And then everybody's happy. Except everybody's not happy because I do not have MySQL installed, and I don't think you should sit here and watch as I install it. So I think we will pick this up later, and I will just get this going. I don't want to pay one. Give me a free one. Free. Give us free. Oh, you're really starting to piss me off now. You know what? I'll figure this out on my own time. See ya.